Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you guys how to trade a company that is just started up. That's how to trade a company that is a startup. So to to uh, to better trade a company that is a startup, first of all you'll have to know how the company is performing. Is it innovating? Is it growing? What industry is it related to? So what industry is it related to, and how will the company have an impact on the masses in the future? So all of these things you will have to keep an eye out, because these things are important now. This is an age of growing everything, an era that is modernizing. So in this era you'll have to keep an eye out on this situation, how the company is performing, because many day by day, minute by minute, and second by second, new products are launching, and newer features are now availing to the masses. So in this era, in in these times you'll have to keep an eye out on these things, because this is the most important thing that you'll have to know. So if you want to invest in a company that is a startup, first of all look at how the company is doing, how is it performing, because it's a startup. So what you can do is, you can also take a look at the shares that have been available to the public for trading, that are offered to the public in traded for trading. So if let's say if 100 shares are available for trading, and 40 of them are fixed and hold by the investors, and 60 are available, so that's also a great news, because what it gives the investors the confidence that this company is okay for investing, this company is okay, and you can trade in this company for long term or short term. It will give you that hint of whether you want to invest in the company or not. So so always seek opportunities like these, because these are great opportunities, and you can invest both long term and short term in that company. If you invest long term, it will give you for 3 years, 5 years. That's great, because who knows how much profit it will give you in the future. If you invest in short term, that's also great, because a certain company is growing. Maybe there's one possibility that maybe that company or that startup doesn't give you profit that much soon. Maybe it gives you after a year or two or three. That's also a possibility, because businesses take time to grow. Business take time so that they can evolve. So business take time to come up with certain ideas, and to launch those ideas, to readily make available those ideas for the public, to so that they can so that they can um, flourish from it, and they can make use of those ideas, those products, or those services. So you'll have to give a certain companies that time to for so they can make their so that they can adjust themselves, and give the public, the investors, the confidence, so that they can promise their customers that it would be give them better things in the future, better expectations, so that they can fulfill their expectations in the future. So so a startup, you can also you'll have to take a look about its about how to trade a startup. These things were necessary, so you'll have to keep an eye out on whether there is demand for the company, whether there is demand uh, for the for the product or service of that company, that is a startup. And so you will have to pinpoint these things, that because these are important. If the customers or the demand is not more, and the product is launching, so the product is launched, and no one is asking about that thing, so why do you want to invest in that thing? Step out of that thing, and do not invest. So stand aside for stand 10 feet aside from that thing, because that is not worth of investing in. So it would give you loss. There are certain companies that are startups, and they might not do well in the future as well. So you will have to consider all options, because you if you are investing long term in a certain stock or certain company, that's your contract to the business, that it will give you profits in the future. So always invest, look for things that show that this startup is stable and it will grow in the future. So like I've shown you, if that startup doesn't have any debt, long term or short term, it is free of debt. And so that's a great news for the company and for the investors as well, because that company is not running on debt, it is running on pure cash, because it is running on its own capital. So that's a great news, because debt also scares away in the investors. More the debt, the more scared will be the investors. So like I said in the previous video, your debt should not increase more than one third of the revenue. So that's for the debt side. And also you will have to know whether the investors are invested in the investors are confident in investing in that stock. If they are confident and they do not fear anything, so that's a great sign, because they do not fear, they are investing in that stock. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.